Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Majira Model Online High School. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Afsar Ali, Senior Assistant Teacher, Majira Model High School, Shahjahanpur, Bogura. Today I am going to take a class from class 8 of English for Today book. I hope you all are participating in my class. Today's class is very important for you, so hoping that you will not leave the class. Before discussing, I am showing you some picture. Look at the picture carefully and try to tell the answer. What do you see in the pictures? Your probable answer is we see some foods in the pictures. What kind of foods are these? These are good foods. So today our topic is good food, Unit 2, Lesson 1, page number 11. Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, the students will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, infer meaning from the context, ask and answer questions, and finally fill in the gaps. Today we will learn some keywords, definition of food, definition of good food, characteristics of good food, the region of eating food, and how much food a person need a day, and so on. Before discussing the passage, let's introduce some keywords. Nutritious. Nutritious means nourishing. We need nutritious food. Substance. Substance means element. We make tea with some substance. Next, physical structure means frame of body. His physical structure is very strong. Now, I am reading the passage loudly. Listen to it very attentively with correct pronunciation and stress. Miss Rehanna, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Food is very important for our body. She says we can't live without it, so you must always have good food. What's good food, teacher? Asked a student. Good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Miss Rehanna. It is nutritious. It must contain natural substance that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. But remember, you must not eat too much, though the food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends on your growth and physical structure. Dear students, now we will see a list of good food. Meat, milk, egg, fish, fruits, lentils are some good food. There are 6 types of food substance in foods, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. Some examples of food types of food substance. carbohydrate. Rice, bread, potato, sugar, etc. are the source of carbohydrate. Then protein, meat, fish, egg, lentil, etc. are good source of protein. Then fat, ghee, butter, whale, nut, etc. are the source of fat. Then vitamins, leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, fish, etc. are good source of vitamins. Then minerals, milk, fish, fruits, vegetables, etc. And last of all, water. Water is very essential for our life. Summary of the passage. I will sum up the text and then ask the students some questions. We know that health is wealth. If we remain healthy, we should take the right kind of food daily, and we call them good food. Good food contains all kinds of food substances, very important for our health, but we should not too much. We should eat a certain amount of food which is needed our body. In the text, in the next class, you will learn a lot about this. Dear students, now I am giving you some questions. Read the questions carefully and then answer the question. What is Mrs. Rehana talking about? Question number 2. Why do we eat food? Question number 3. What is meant by nutritious food? And the 4 number, how much food does a person need to eat a day? And the last question is, does everyone need the same amount of food? Think about the question and try to tell the answer. I will help you to tell the correct answer. Look at the answer. Question number 1. The answer is Mrs. Rehana is talking about food. The answer of the question number 2 is we eat food to keep our body fit and healthy. Answer of the question number 3 is the food which contains natural substances and proper food value are called nutritious food. The answer of the question number 4 is a person needs to eat as much food as his or her body needs. And the answer of the last question is no. Everybody does not need to eat the same amount of food because of having difference in their age, growth, and physical structure. Now, fill in the blanks. You have to complete the following sentences. Read the sentence carefully, then try to fill up the sentences. Sentence number 1. We should eat good food to dash. I hope you all can tell the answer. I am giving you the answer for your checking. We should eat good food to grow properly and stay healthy. Sentence 2. We should not eat more than our body needs. And the sentence number 3. Eating too much food is not dash. Eating too much food is not good for health. And last one is good food means dash. Good food means the right kind of food for good health. Dear learners, choose the best answer from the alternative. MCQ for you. Question number 1. Which is good for health? A. Eating any kind of food. B. Eating the same kind of food. C. Overeating. And D. Eating the certain amount of food. Think some time. I hope you can tell the answer easily. The correct answer is option D. Eating a certain amount of food. Question number 2. Good food is dash. Options are A. Cheap. B. Nutritious. C. Costly. And D. Expensive. The correct answer is option B. Nutritious. Question number 3. We should eat dash amount of food. Your options are A. Less. B. Right. C. More. And D. Large. Think some time. I hope you can tell the right answer. The answer is option B. Right. Question number 4. Food is one kind of dash need. The options are A. Major. B. Minor. C. Unimportant. And D. Fundamental. The correct answer is option D. Fundamental. Question number 5. Kind means dash. Kind means A. Type. B. Mercy. C. Generous. And D. Cruel. The correct answer is option D. Mercy. Question number 6. Good food contains A. Health. B. Proper food. C. Taste. And D. Natural substance. Correct answer is proper food. Now, homework. Write a letter to your friend describing him or her which foods are good and which are not. Dear learners, you have to read the text slowly and collect information, then write the letter. Then the homework which is given in today's class needs to be answered in the respective notebook for the subject. I hope our school reopens soon. You must submit the homework to your subject teacher for evaluation. Remember that these marks will be considered for your continuous evaluation and contribute to your final performance. So for today, see you again. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.